Hey guys, this is Mikkel from DF Studios, and I'm back with another episode of Crazy Simple Funnels. And this episode is going to talk to you creative souls who like to do a multitude of different things. The thing is, you don't want to confuse your audience and make them not know what it is you actually do. So stay tuned and I'll tell you how to solve that problem. Alright, to start things off, normally when you have an Instagram page, a Facebook page, a social media page in general, you would have probably different aliases for each thing you do. One is where you are a good writer, one is a good one where you're a good drawer, photographer, maybe you play Guitar Hero really good, and you have different trends like that, right? Now here's a way to make sure that your audience follows only you and your talents and what you do. First off, you have a professional Now, a professional landing page is one where you will put all your skills and talents on the same page, categorically sequenced. So for example, in one section you'll have good writer, from here to here, and a contact for that. Next section you'll have good photographer, a writer for that, a portfolio, and a contact. Next one you'll have Guitar Hero player, and a challenge me button to the bottom right there. So you book your challenges, they kick ass from that point. The second thing you could do is use an app called, I hope I got this right, linktr.ee. Now Linktree is a web app that does everything of this for you. It comes in a free version and a paid version, and it can be used as a substitute for the link in bio that people use on Instagram a lot. It's easily updatable and it shares all the links that you have already for any skilled services that you provide. So you can have a link tree in your bio, and the page will have different buttons like that. This will be your writing, this will be your photography, and of course, who can forget the Guitar Hero challenging right there. So these are two ways to keep your customers or your audience from knowing exactly what it is you do, and they can follow you on each platform. So that's our tip for today. If you have any tips you'd like to share with us on Crazy Simple Funnels, comment down below and let us know. If you have any other topics you'd like us to cover for Crazy Simple Funnels, comment down below, and who knows, we might choose yours for the next episode. Take care and have a great day.